welcome to Bridgerton Investment. So I want to discuss two stocks, which is kind of recently added to my watch list. One is for shorting and one is to go long. This company, actually, I'm not a very good fan. From the looks of it, wow, it rose about 136.83 percentage year to year. However, if you look at its financials, right, PE is return on equity 16.6, debt to equity 0 point 0, EPS 1445.15. But you take a look at its bigger picture, profit is dying completely. Company is not making any profit. So what is it? It sounds very fancy. GE Power India is an India-based company which is engaged in a renovation and modernization of existing power plants with primary focus on thermal power plants, and has also ventured into supply and installation and maintenance of thermal plants. It sounds very fancy, but I was thinking of actually going long on it for the long term. But because this sounded very good to me. However, you look at its revenue, it is dying. It is dying. It's dying like anything. It's year to year. If you look, it's quarter to quarter. It's like it looks very strong. But this big rally for a year to year company where even the profits are even not producing, even the profits are not good, even profits are not good, revenue is dying, company is not making enough sales, because there's a lot of competition among Adani Power, etc. If you look at its quarterly, yes, it looks great, but if you look at a company's yearly performance, very pathetic. It's very pathetic, and I dig the big because company sales is dying like anything. I looked a dip into its balance sheet, looked deeper into its balance sheet. Reserve and surplus is like it's like going up, down. Company is not maintaining that much reserve. This looks like a proper chance of a bankruptcy business in long term. I see this is similar to what Gensol India is. Company has no debt. Company has no debt, which is fantastic. But company is selling off its assets. Company is selling off its assets. You see, its asset number is reducing. It's actively selling its assets like anything to. But company, because even its revenue is dying, assets are diminishing. That doesn't look like a chance of a good business. Current assets are also now reducing, diminishing. Trade receivable is also going down. Inventory is also down. Everything is going down. This is not a sign for me to making a good investment. This is actually a good company to trade. I'm waiting for a proper rejection. Whoever had invested in this company, please start taking profits now. Is this company not looking good in long term? I am entertaining, taking, may consider a short with this company. We'll see how it. I have set my target. I have set my target around one. I'll be entertaining around here. 160, we could see a chance of a rejection because the way revenue is dying, the bulls may get start diminishing, and we could see a proper crash happening. So that's it from me today, and okay, and for engineering India. Engineering India, I like a company. Today it started to go on a bit downside. However, the crash, it started crashing a bit. Still overbought. I would be entertaining around 180. That much I would be entertaining around 180 to go long. 162 I placed my order. I would be considered going long, the it looks oversold to over started to correct a bit, but we all know it will catch up tomorrow, because I want to buy this company. I wanted to have some form of a crash, so I could buy the dip. If you look at it, financial, very good financial, return on equity 19, EPS 13, PE is also 16, balance sheet is very good, year to year profits little diminishing here and there, and profits are very good profit growth also. It takes the contract of government for energy infrastructure, which is for cells building, clean water, renewable waste management. So it's a very good company for me to be invested in. Promoter backing is also very good, 51%. And if you look at this balance sheet, very good balance sheet. Reserve and surplus is great. Borrowings is good, asset bases are also good, cash equivalence is very good. So I would be entertaining going long on this for long term if I get around 162. I want great deals. So yeah, let's see how it goes. But G power, I'm willing to short. This is seriously in my watch list to short. And coming to my portfolio, Nifty was very, here and there. I did quite good in my trading spot portfolio. Trading, took a bit loss. Physics wala BLS long, pancreatic long, and mills. So yeah, not a good day. I think this is my second straight losing day. I want to break out of streak. I know I will do it good. Trading is my I will do it good. Tomorrow I'm looking to break this streak. I want to get profitable, especially if JE starts showing signs of a rejection. I will be entertaining going shorting here. These are the kind of company which I want to short for a longer period. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.